What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Weekly Review, home of the Wolfpack. And as you know, I do a video about every other day, but I'm doing this video on the Hex chart only today. This is a Hex only video. We're just going to take a look at the pump. Remember, yesterday I was saying it looks like it's about to pump, but just wait. And it has a nice green dildo. We're going to talk about it. Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into this chart.
You big all sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks. Type of money made me want a 2-step. Who next? This week I be on the moon next. Stock going up like 2x. That's a fast flip like suplex. 2 really stepping like a duplex. You bet never lose change, but I do flex.
All right, first things first, let's take a look at this bullish divergence. As you can see, the price action in Hex was making a new low while the RSI was making a higher low. That is called bullish divergence. That is what RSI was designed to spot. A lot of people use it to say, oh, this market's overheated. Well, that's not what it was designed for. It was designed as a leading indicator to spot reversals. And here we have a little bit of a reversal. We have a pump candle. You know, I took a brief peek at Discourse Syndicate and they're already talking about buying jets. Now, yesterday it was this candle right here, and I was saying we are consolidating at resistance at the 21 exponential moving average. And in my trading style, anything that is rejecting the 21 exponential moving average is in a daily downtrend, and it is very, very reliable, as you can see here. But we had floated through that previous channel right here. We had floated through that channel, and I said that we were going to pump, but I told you to wait because you definitely want to get the breakout and then consolidation before you go in. That's called confirmation. As you can see right here, this is a giant fake out. It went all the way up to the 89 exponential moving average and then rejected and set a new low. You don't want to get caught in the crosshairs. You don't want to chase these pump candles. You want to wait. You want to wait until we can get a few candles to confirm on this 21 exponential moving average. If this is a trend reversal, there is plenty of room to the upside. There is plenty of profits to be made. It's a cost-benefit analysis. It's a risk reward right here. Buying up here is super high risk, but buying after a consolidation and a confirmation is lower risk. You don't want to be the one that got caught up here. And this is a low liquidity pump. There is some volume divergence here. Look at these volumes on this pump versus these dump side volumes here. This is concerning. This looks almost like a low liquidity order book pump. Now, if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that it is very much a low liquidity pump on low volume. As you can see right here, there is even a gap where the order books just broke down and the pump just pumped hard. And here is the main concern, the 366 exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. As you can see right here, this last massive moon candle that was on low volume as well, rejected there, as it is doing here now. So this was not time to buy a jet for Discourse Syndicate time. This was not time to buy a new Hex earring. This was time for these people who bought up here, who chased this candle, who thought it was a reversal, who listened to the Hexicans and said, this is a reversal, buy your jet now. Well, guess what? Now they had to cancel their orders because we made a new low. And look at this gap. This is super concerning. These order books are completely wrecked, and I would like to wait until we can get a little bit of confirmation. And as you can see, these two lines right here, the 55 period moving average and the 200 right here on the daily chart, this is the death cross that is looming overhead. This has been a huge dump. This could definitely be just a dead cat bounce. And what is a dead cat bounce? If you took a dead cat and you threw it off the roof, even that would bounce. As you can see, anything below this white line is a confirmed daily downtrend. Even a low liquidity shitcoin like Hex, who has only $16 million in liquidity and it chops all over the place, it still respects this white line quite good, and it's been in this downtrend for months. And you have to ask yourself, is today the day? Is today the day that we broke the downtrend? Are you bottom fishing? Do you want to catch a falling knife? If you had been trading this downtrend, you would have been right a dozen times. But if you were trading reversals and you thought that each and every one of these was going to be a reversal, you would be wrecked 12 times. So that is why we go with the trend. That's why they say the trend is your friend until the end of the trend, and that's when it backstabs you. So that's why we wait for confirmation. I'm happy to miss these gains right here. I'll be happy to buy a confirmation of a trend reversal, but I'm not chasing trend reversals. That's how you get wiped out. That's why I made it 5 years in this game, because I play defensively and I still make profits. Like I sold 65K. I didn't sell the absolute top. Top hunting is stupid. And I also sold 45 cents on this channel. You can find it. Go back there. I sold 45 cents on Hex. All of my liquid Hex. I still have all of my stakes, but all of my liquid Hex I sold. So if I have to buy a little bit higher to confirm that I'm not going to get wrecked, I'm okay with that. But I am not buying this candle right here. Do I hope that it's a reversal? Yeah, I do. I hope it's a reversal and we can go to the moon. But let's think about the overall trend in Bitcoin. Remember yesterday I said, look, we are rejecting this pivot on a lower high in this downtrend and we're going to dump. And right after I posted the video, it dumped. And it's looking very bear marketish right now. I mean, I'm expecting a dump at about 44K. But this looks, so is Hex going to pump all bear market? I mean, it could, but think about probabilities. There are no certainties, there are only probabilities in life. And the overall market sentiment and this dead cat bounce over here in a new low, I just think that I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait, and my tentative plan currently, and it's tentative, it can change, the tentative plan is to buy the confirmation, which is a few candles above this 21 exponential moving average. Once this stuff starts getting a little bit of support and consolidation above this downtrend line, I will be interested in getting into Hex, and I'm going to be averaging into Hex. Anyways, guys, I thought I would just give you a quick Hex update. I know I went on like a 7-minute rant, but you are my dogs, and I'm doing an extra video for you. But in the meantime, before we say goodbye in the video, let's take a look at sweet Chico Crypto and his YouTube community.
I just wanted to give you guys an update just to let you know I'm at one of those points where I'm tired, I'm exhausted, my brain just isn't working, and I think a lot of it has to do with the channel. Just creating content on the regular, trying to be there for 300,000 people on the daily is, if I'm not producing content.
Wham! Those 300,000 people, come join the wolf pack. We're not crying around over here. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.